Hi, my name is Adam Tahoon. I'm on the WAT 2.0 team. My product owner is Dr. Mark Finlayson, and my mentor is Dr. Masood Shajadi. So for this user story, it is the performance improvements on OpenNMT's source code, which is an open source library that we are using for our translation models. So the main thing was to avoid reading and writing files. So how OpenNMT's architecture was is that you would write to a file of text you wanted to translate, and it would read from that file, then write to a file the translated text. And that was actually causing some performance issues because it was slow writing to the files, especially for large batches. So I actually have already, to save time, translated article. We can see it over here. This is the original content, and in our in-house we have it the translated text, and this is actually the main content that was translated. And then going into just really briefly the source code. Let's see. If we go to open an NMT and we open up translate, let's see. So we have this translation builder. Let's see. Actually, maybe I can go to the Git cracking code and we can show the changes. Let's see. Master. Open NMT. WAT-37. Oh, here we go. All right, so let's see. Going from the service. So one thing that we do is that when we click translate WAT, we get text, a list of lists now. And then in translate, we actually return an output. Before it was just translating, calling this function with no return value, and writing it to some sort of source pass. But now we grab the output and return it. And here, look, as you can see, we're removing all the reads and writes, and that was to save time. And as here, instead of opening the path, we just pass down the list of text that we want to translate. And instead of going for line and corpus file, we just go for line and corpus, and we pass the corpus instead of the path itself. So that saves us a lot of time, about 30% improvement on the original translation. So that's about it for it. Yeah, the actual behavior is the same. It's just an improvement on time. So thank you. That's about it. Bye.